So hello guys, today I want to start my experiment. Finally I saw the buzzer was not working guys. So let's see what happens inside. Finally I saw that guys. The wire has coming out guys. So let's solder and see what happens next. This blue wire guys. So see here guys, I soldered this wire guys. This wire has disconnected guys. That's why. So let's assemble it and see. Let's see next guys what happens.
A few moments later.
See guys, now I'm putting the battery guys. See guys how the sound was coming. Now it's working guys. How you like the shot, please like and subscribe guys. Don't forget to press on bell icon and let's meet in next video guys.